Meet Daniel, a young professional working a regular 9-to-5 job. While his salary covered the essentials, he knew that relying on one source of income would never make him truly wealthy. One evening, he discovered the world of side hustles, small businesses or freelance work that could supplement his income. At first, Daniel started modestly, offering graphic design services online. He spent nights and weekends learning new skills, creating designs, and building a small client base. It wasn't glamorous, and there were moments of frustration when progress seemed slow. But Daniel understood one key principle: consistency and focus in side hustles can turn small efforts into substantial income over time. He reinvested every dollar earned into his business, upgraded his tools, and improved his skills. Gradually, what began as a small side project started generating significant revenue. The secret to turning side hustles into fortune lies in three main strategies. First, leverage your skills and passions. Daniel chose graphic design because he enjoyed it and was willing to learn and improve. When you align side hustles with your strengths, work doesn't feel like a burden and growth happens faster. Second, invest time wisely. Daniel set a strict schedule, dedicating consistent hours every week to his side hustle, treating it like a real business rather than a hobby. This discipline allowed him to progress steadily without burning out. Third, think long-term. Many people quit side hustles too soon, expecting immediate results. Daniel understood that success requires patience and persistence. Over the years, he diversified his offerings, built a strong online presence, and created multiple income streams, from freelance projects to selling templates and digital products. By his early 30s, his side hustle income surpassed his full-time salary. He was no longer dependent on a single source of money, giving him freedom and security. Daniel's story teaches an essential lesson. Small, focused efforts, compounded over time, can create massive results. Side hustles are not just about extra cash. They are about building skills, creating assets, and opening doors to financial independence. Beyond finances, Daniel gained confidence, entrepreneurial mindset, and the ability to take calculated risks. The key takeaway is simple: start small, be consistent, reinvest in your growth, and don't give up. Whether it's freelance work, online businesses, or investing, your side hustle has the potential to become your main source of wealth if you approach it strategically. Remember, fortune doesn't always come from a single big opportunity. It often comes from consistent, persistent efforts in multiple small opportunities. If Daniel's journey inspired you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who want to learn the secrets of turning side hustles into fortune. Start today, take the first step, and watch your small efforts transform into lasting wealth.